Hi guys, welcome back. Just wanted to give you a quick update on what's been going on. Still got some Christmas stuff out. Just like you, when is it getting boxed up? Who knows? March, April. Anyway, big surprise. Got the Samsung 70-inch. Look at it. Gigantic. Great screen, bright, everything. Hey, this is a nice show. You guys need to tune in when you get a chance. Whitley and Chill, something like that. Got a new coat rack from Amazon. Really needed it. The old one was just on its last legs, if you know what I mean. This one provides us with all the hooks and space we need to store our things. What do you think about the table and chairs, guys? Nice, huh? Christmas trees, they're not coming down to, again, March, April. I don't know. Anyway, let me tell you the story behind this table and chairs. Management was cleaning the crystal balls here, whatever you want to call them. One of them fell, shattered the old table. Can you believe it? Got this now. Amazing how much different you can make a room look once you rearrange some furniture or even add some different furniture. Very nice. Goes along with that paint job I did. Look at the mirrors. Great idea. Nice touches. Oh, yeah. Very nice. Got a new kitchen table as well. It's round, but much bigger. Much, much bigger. Gold finish at the bottom. New chairs. But I think the dining room chairs would be a better fit in here for this table. Like these chairs, but I think those would be great in here. We'll see. I painted the staircase too. Cement gray, of course. Looks nice. Only thing left to do now is get this carpet up and redo the floors. Wow, look at this. My apprentice, wink wink, if you know what I mean, got a new queen size bed, picked it up from Amazon. It's real nice. This is built to last. Didn't take too long to put together either, so that was good. Over here, a new desk. It's nice. White, bright. Oh yeah. Now the dresser drawer, I think it's too short. Should have been wider. And I didn't like how long it took to put it together. I mean, we're talking about 2 hours or so. If Husky was the theme in my last video, and by the way, go check that video out, items you should have bought during the holidays, then Amazon is definitely the theme in this video. Another Amazon product. Won't open this up, but now there's more storage in the bathroom. Over here, got a sink from Home Depot. I took the old one out and put this one in, me by myself. Oh yeah. What happened was water was spilled over from the bowl, causing damage. Water got on the floor, more damage, damaged the cabinet here. So it had to be replaced. And what I did was, of course, take the drain and stuff out. To do that, when I put the drain and stuff back together, the extension tube popped out of the P-trap a couple times, causing more damage. You can imagine the damage water causes. Wasn't all my fault, though. I put it together according to how it was initially. And again, that extension tube popped out of the P-trap a couple times. I finally got Teflon tape, silicone. I just pulled out all the stops. Anyway, this area filled up like a balloon. I had to bust it. Water was everywhere. I had to repair the drywall, paint. You know how that goes. Good thing about it, I'm getting better at drywall repair. Gave myself a B- on that particular job. Anyway, we're going to have a great year this year. Got my old man here, my mother. They're with us. Thanks for watching. You guys take care. Bye.